Good morning, class 11th. Today we will be discussing about a few more important topics of immunology chapter. The first topic which we are going to discuss is interferon. Interferons are a group of signaling proteins made and released by the host cell in response to the presence of several viruses. Okay, so you need to understand that interferons are produced by the cells. They are proteinaceous in nature, and the cells which are infected by virus, which are attacked by virus, they are producing interferons. In a typical scenario, a virus infected cell will release interferons, causing nearby cells to heighten their antiviral defenses. Okay, so this is a signal given by the infected cell to the surrounding cells that now I have been infected by virus. You increase your immunity, you heighten your antiviral defenses. Clear? So this interferon was discovered by Lindemann in 1987. And when what happens here, when a virus enters a cell which contains interferon, they cannot multiply. Okay, when the interferon has already secreted by one cell, and the surrounding cells are having their immunity developed, then the virus cannot affect them. Clear? Or one more thing you need to understand here, that interferons are not virus specific, but they are species specific. A particular type of species will have only single type of interferon present. Their mode of action is that they are interfering with the virus and binding to the viral messenger RNA and just restricting their genetic material. That is, once they are binding to the messenger RNA, to the mRNA of the virus, they are restricting the virus to undergo the normal functioning, and then the virus cannot affect the cell. Okay, these interferons can be of three types: interferon alpha, interferon beta, and interferon gamma. Some of you must be thinking that interferons are also produced in response to a virus, and similar thing is being done in antibodies. So why they are different? Why I am teaching you it as a different topic? Because there are so many differences in between interferon and antibodies. Just to name a few, antibodies are produced in B lymphocytes. You remember, I have told you in the previous class. But here the interferon are produced by any microbe infected cell. Any cell can produce interferon. It should not be necessarily beta B lymphocytes. Okay. uh, One more important difference is antibodies are slow in action, but antibodies are offering you a long lasting effect, that is maybe throughout your lifetime, whereas interferons are fast in action but they offer only temporary protection. So that is also one of the important difference. Another difference can be antibody act outside the cell, whereas interferon acts inside the cell and restricts the virus to multiply. Clear? If we talk about the line of defenses, then if you remember, antibodies were kept in the third line of defense, but you will keep interferon in the second line of defense. Clear? One more important point here will be the antibodies. You know, you have already studied about the antibodies mechanism of action. So you know that antibody binds to the antigen and immobilizes it so that it may be easily attacked by phagocytosis. So ultimately what happens here, the antigen are phagocytosized. But here what happens in interferon induce healthy cells to produce antimicrobial protein that check microbial multiplication and strength. So healthy cells are producing interferons. Okay, they are actually not not been caused any problem from the disease, from the virus till now. Virus has just attacked them, and before the virus could make them could give them any problem, can cause any problem over there, they have started producing interferon. Yeah, and just telling the signal, interferon is given as a signal to the subsequent cells, to the surrounding cells, that yes, I have been infected from virus. You people also heighten up your antiviral defenses. um, See, here I am telling you one important point. Antibodies, you have studied that these can travel, these can be transported and circulate into the blood to dispose of the antigen. But what happens here, and when interferons are produced by a cell and they enter nearby cell to dispose the microbe, they surround the virus infected cell and forms a barrier. They do not run into the blood. So this is a very important differences. So you have already I have already shared the differences list with you in the classwork, so you can go through those differences, and remember that these differences between antibody and interferon will be asked for 4 marks sometimes, and maybe asked for 2 marks. Or when it is asked for only 1 mark, you will just write down the all the details, that where antibodies are produced and how they function. And in interferon, you will write down where interferons are produced and how they are functioning. So it may come in 1 mark also, but in 1 mark you need to write down the most important point. Most important point is where they are produced and what is the mode of action. Clear? So just you need to differentiate and prioritize the table according to your understanding, that this will be the best important point. Now for your understanding, I am giving you an example here, that in case of antibody and interferon, you need to write down the difference. The most important difference will be where antibodies are produced, that is antibodies are produced in beta B lymphocytes, and interferons are produced by any microbe infected cell. And what is their action? Antibodies work slowly and give long lasting protection, whereas interferons are fast in action but offer a limited or temporary protection from the interferon. Clear? From the virus, sorry. Okay, so you will go through all those points and be prepared that this is a very important question. Differentiate between antibody and interferon, because both are barriers, both are released in the body, released by the body cells in different conditions. And you need to understand that interferons are directly going and restricting or binding to the messenger RNA, to the mRNA of the virus, and restricting it to further cause any damage to the cell itself. Clear? So these interferons are in itself important, and the difference can also come. Prepare like that.